Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. In the last class, we have seen recruitment methods or techniques of recruitment. Now today we'll see recruitment process, how the recruitment goes. Very interesting and you will enjoy this talk. And of course it is important. So recruitment process, how does it goes? Total 9 steps are there. Step by step 9 process we need to complete. Then recruitment is finished. So what is this 9 process? Step by step we'll see. The first process is preliminary interview. Whenever company wants to go for recruitment, preliminary interview they conduct. Preliminary interview means here only general questions will be asked to the candidates, like what is their background of studies, where do they stay, and their qualification, whether does this suits to the job or not, job description, general information, and also observing the candidate mindset, and whether he's suitable or not, general. And it is like a first screening test. At this level, if the candidate is selected, then they'll be given a black application. We say it as a, at this level, if we find the candidate is okay, we can go for the next process. In any of such cases, he will be given a black application. What is this black application? Does this looks like a black color? No, it's called as black application. But black application means systematically some information is already printed by the company. It's already printed, like qualifications right from the 10th class, 12th degree, and their percentage, university, any other achievements, their knowledge, and anything else they wanted to provide, and what the company is expecting. Already a systematic application will be given to those candidates who are scrutinized or selected after this preliminary test. That is black application. Black application they need to fill up. There the company recruiters will come to know through this black application, and what we can do next process. And they get an understanding about the candidate also through the black application. So preliminary interview is over. Then after that, after filling the black application, application blank. Application blank means the same one black application. So this blank will be observed by the recruiters, already filled. So this will be given to the recruiters. Application blank we say. So this is going to observe by the recruiters, and they will be deciding that whether the candidates will be selected or not. And shall we stop at this stage only? Like this is like a second round. Then after the application blank, they are going to going for the third step, that is check for referrals. Any references are given by the somebody, like same company employees are giving some reference. My candidate, I know him, or I know her, I know her very well, and so some information. Who has given that reference? So that process is to be done. If somebody has given reference, you have some idea about that somebody, whether good or bad, somewhat a good opinion or somewhat a reliability, you are going to gain it. So that is why you will be checking that, check for reference, who has given that reference. After that, next you will go for psychological test, because mindset is different. Job and qualification, experience, this is different, but psychologically whether the candidate is fit for the job or not, that will come to know through the psychology test. Different questions, different patterns will be given to them, and they'll be asking to solve their, or the candidate has to come up with their own opinion, or they'll be given like different options. Okay, MCQs, multiple choice questions, or some questions will be directly asked to them. Every company is having different types of psychology tests. Through psychology test, will come to know the mindset of the candidate. So once if the psychology test is done, the next process comes to fifth one, employment interview. Here you are going to take the interview of the employee interview you are going to take. How do we take the interview? Here you will find structural and non-structural questions. Structural or non-structure. Any way you can go ahead. Non-structure. The interview can be structural or non-structural. Structural means what? Most of the time it will be technical interview related to the subject. Related to the subject. If you are going for a finance position, then related to the finance area, you will be getting questions. Already prepared questions are there. Structural questions are there. The same questions will be asked to the candidate to know the knowledge of the candidate, technical. Or if you are going for software engineer job, then they'll be asking you only the subject only. So that we say it as a structural interview. And what is non-structural? Non-structural means no particular questions are prepared, no questions. It will be general conversation between the candidate and the recruiter. So this will be like testing the knowledge or testing the mindset of the candidate, and candidate will be given a liberty to speak few things, or general light questions will be asked. It will be like interaction. In other words, you can say it as a HR interview. Like candidates will be asked to express about themselves, say something about yourself, what do you like, and what are your weaknesses, what are your strengths, and where do you want to see yourself after 5 years, like general. So this type of conversation, whenever the candidate will be asked such kind of conversation, then that's called as non-structured. Both are required. Most of the companies, what do they do? First they'll conduct this structural interview. Panel interview. In panel interview, suppose say the candidate is sitting here. Here the candidate is sitting. Okay. And panel. Panel number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. 5 members are panel members. Panel members are 5 recruiters. Out of 5 recruiters, one may be MD of the company, or manager of the company, or higher position, somebody will be there. And here technical persons will be there. Technical, and here technical 1, technical 2, and then HR, and also HR, like this will be the position of the interview. Though in such cases, most of the companies, what do? They prefer first technical interview. These two people are going to take the interview of the candidate. If they feel happy, if they feel satisfied, then HR will enter here. And if HR is also happy, then ultimately MD is going to enter. Now, ultimately, they are going to decide at this level only, employment interview. Employment structural or non-structural, anything, anyway. So this is about employment interview. Interview is over. The next process, approval by supervisor. Everything is went very well. Then supervisor has to give his green signal. He has to approve it. Interview went very well. The process, everything is proper. How he, like right from the beginning, how he has come to the interview level, and what is the process, everything he'll be observing. Then once if he says everything is proper, no doubt at all, then this process is over. Okay, approval by the supervisor. Then after that, physical examination. Mentally fit or not, we have come to know through the psychology test. Now here mental fitness is over, physical fitness. No big diseases or big problems. He is fit. Physically he is fit. That certificate we want it. So generally general physician will be there on the company point of view. So they'll be examining the candidate, or candidate may be asked to go to any diagnostic center, and a particular test they'll be prescribing, go and test it, and then get the feedback or the result declaration that they wanted to know. So through that physical examination they are doing. If physical fitness is fine, then next process will be employment contract. Employment contract means it's a contract between the employer and the employee. Here is the employer. Employer say he is A, and one candidate is selected. He is Q. Q is selected. there is a contract between both of them. Contract. So this is the 8th step. Contract means what? Related to the recruitment or related to the job, related to the nature of job and qualification, work, where he has to work, what are the timings, what would be his package and leaves, location, everything will be clearly mentioned in this contract. This contract will be given to the candidate. Who is the candidate here? Q. Q has to sign this contract. After reading everything, all the formalities, all the rules and regulations related to the job, he has to sign and then submit it to the employer. Immediate employer, whoever is giving that contract, he has to submit it. This step is over, that is employment contract. And last step is evaluation. Evaluation means final stage. Who has to do the evaluation? Evaluation by the final person, and also this is for the auditor point of view. If tomorrow auditing is going on, so auditor is not going to accept simply anything. Not only finance auditing, like this kind of things also will be audited. Recruitment process, how he got selected, what is the process and everything. So final evaluation, you have to make everything properly systematically filed. A special file is created if newly recruited employee is going to join in any organization. In that file, right from the beginning, like how he entered into the organization for the first process, means for the preliminary interview. So that level to till the last level, how the things went, everything systematically filed, so that tomorrow if auditor comes, we can show it very clearly. So there is no doubt, and there is nothing like uh, deceiving the things or otherwise concealing the facts, all these things, no, everything is fair. So that is last stage evaluation. Am I clear? Very simple to remember. See, preliminary interview we are conducting, their application blank they have to fill up, then after that check for the recruiter is going to check the referrals, then after that psychology test conducting and the recruitment interview, employment interview, then approval by supervisor, physical examination, employment contract and evaluation. Simple, easy way to remember. Am I clear? Want to take screenshot? Interesting topic. Few more HR related topics we are going to cover. Stay connected. Don't forget to share these videos and check out the playlist also. Good luck.